Hey, what's up? As you understand from the title of this video, today we have unboxing and review of the cheapest wireless earbuds. Its price is only $5. Can you imagine this? For only $5 you will get one pair of earphones and even charging dock. The name of earbuds is i7s Mini. You can find the link where to buy them in description. So let's start review with unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The gadget comes in a simple white box. There is the image of earbuds, model number and main features. On side you can see available color options. We have black version, but you can get white, red and blue. On the back is specification list. Inside the box there is charging box with earbuds. In addition, you will get user manual in English and micro USB cable for charging dock. That's all. Now let's look at design. As you understand, this is a cheap copy of Apple AirPods. It has the same design and charging dock as flagship earbuds from Apple. Most likely everyone thinks that you have Apple AirPods when earbuds are in the ears. Of course, at closer view you will see differences. i7s Mini is made of cheap plastic. Each earbud has charging port on the bottom and power button on side. LED flashes when earbuds are paired or charged. Also, i7s Mini has built-in microphone, so you can make or receive calls. If we talk about charging dock, it is made of the same plastic material as earbuds. It has 3 LEDs and button to check the battery level. From other side is micro USB port for charging the dock. Let's talk a little about main specifications of these earbuds. i7s Mini has speaker impedance of 32 ohms. The microphone sensitivity is 42 dB. The gadget uses Bluetooth 4.2 for connecting with smartphone. The manufacturer says about 12 meters of transmission distance. Each earbud is equipped with 45 mAh battery. The charging dock has 250 mAh battery. The declared battery life is 5-6 hours, but most likely you will have about 2-3 hours. The charging dock allows to recharge earbuds 3-4 times. The full charge takes about 2 hours. You can use one earbud separately or 2 earbuds in pair. There is tutorial in user manual how to connect 1 or 2 earbuds. We will use both of them. First, you need to press and hold buttons on both earbuds at the same time. The LED will flash blue and red. After that, make double click on both buttons and you will hear a voice prompt ready to pair. Now you can take your smartphone to go Bluetooth settings menu and select TWS i7. That's all. If you are interested in sound quality of these cheap wireless earbuds, then it matches the price. The sound is flat and it lacks basses. As for the microphone quality, it is quite good. You can talk comfortably indoors, but there may be some interference in public places. By the way, you can use only one earbuds for calling. So it was unboxing and review of the cheapest wireless Bluetooth earbuds called i7s Mini. Of course, you cannot expect high build quality and sound quality from $5 earbuds. From other side, I'm really impressed that they really work. You can listen to music and even make calls. To be honest, I thought I would get broken earphones for $5. However, all functions work as promised and it is great. Moreover, you will get charging dock together with wireless earbuds. I think it is good deal for $5. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.